friends, once again I welcome you guys to the Make It Simple YouTube channel. This video is continuation to my previous video, which is learning about Python. If you didn't go through my previous video, just go through it and come back to this video. I have given the video link in the description section. In this video, I'm going to explain about how to install packages from Python package index, that is PyPi. Let's get into the demo. Even though in the Python model index have a lot of common library or a lot of common models for the common task, it is not complete by any means. That's why we have the directory this called Python package index or PyPi. And in this directory, you can find 100 of packages for doing awesome things. These are the packages that people like you and I have built as a part of our projects, and they have published it as part of this directory for other people to use. So that's why we have a fantastic community in Python. There are so many Python developers out there, and there are so many packages right in front of us to reuse in our program. Let's say we want to send some text messages in our program. You don't have to build this functionality from scratch. We can simply come to this pypi.org and search for SMS like this. And clicking on this enter, you can see there are so many projects or packages that gives you this functionality. Of course, not every package, not every project is complete or bug free. Some of them are still in development or they have bugs. But if you look around, I'm pretty sure for any kind of functionality, you can imagine there's a good, reliable and well documented package for you. In this video, I will show you like how to install packages from pypi.org. So in pypi.org, let's search for Open PyXL. Open PyXL. So this is the package that we use for working with Excel and spreadsheets and all. So let's search for this package. There you go. So currently its version is 3.0.10. And in the top right, you can see the instruction over here in this page. In the top, you can see the instruction over here. And this is the command we need to type in the terminal window to install this package in our program. So I just copied it. Let's get back to our PyCharm IDE. And over here, in the status bar, just click on the terminal. And here you can just paste it, or you can type that command and just pasting it over here. Pip install open pypxl. So pip is a tool that comes with the Python installation. We used it to install or uninstall the packages registered on pypi.org. So here we are using this pip to install this package now. Package is open pyxl. And just entering it, it will take few seconds to download. Let's see. Yeah, it's done. Now we can import this package and modules just like the built-in modules in Python or the modules that we have in our project. Now, if you are curious about where this package gets stored in our disk, let me show you. So in the left side project panel, right, just minimizing this my project, and inside this external libraries, right, and here inside the site packages, and this is the site packages where all our installed or will get stored over here. Let it be like this is where all these packages that we installed with pip are stored. You can see this open pyxl over here, and inside this you can see a folder called cell. Now look like what we have here. Like we have this init type like init underscore double underscore dot py file. And earlier I told you like whenever we add this file to a folder or directory, Python treat it as a packages. So cell is a package, and chart is a package, and chart sheet is a package. So everything is a package over here. And so as you see this open pyxl package, right, it has several sub packages like cell, chart sheet, comments, everything is a packages over here. And in each package there are several modules. Like in this module side, for example, in the comments packages, there are several modules like author, comment sheet, and comments, shape writer and all. And this is the package where it gets stored over here. And in this video, I explained about like what is PyPi and how to install these packages from PyPi using pip tool. If you have any doubts in this topic, just add in the comment section. I'll be very happy to help you guys. And I forgot to mention it over here. Similar like this package, I too published a package which is called AWS unused resources. Like AWS unused. Just search with this. There's a package called AWS unused resources. I published it before 2 years. And this is the package to find the unused resources in AWS. If you want to install, you just make use of it, install it, and you can try it in your packages. And that's it, friends. So we have covered all the core concept in this Python. I hope you have learned a lot. The concept which I learned is like I just try to run this directory package, so it will list down all the files. I'm just running this one, and see here this many files we have, and these are the concept we have covered over here. Like what are the covers? Like we have covered like arithmetic operation and built-in functions, classes, comparison operators, converters, dictionaries, directories, and exceptions, for loop, while loop, if statements, inheritance, list and tuples, logical operator, modules, package, operator precedence, nested loop, and unpacking, which is a destructuring JavaScript, and utilities and weight converters, everything we have seen over here. So we have learned a lot, and please support my hard work by liking this video and sharing it with others. And be sure to subscribe my channel for more tutorials like this. Next, we'll see some mini projects in Python that involve some automation in Python or building some web application using Django framework. And thanks for watching my video, friends. Have a good day.